Hello and happy Monday. My name is Michael Leeserman here with the Trial Guide's Tip of the Day. The date is March 10th, 2025, and our tip today comes from Jim Purdue's book, Courtroom Storytelling. When faced with a critical legal issue, do your research early. Check the authorities and precedents before beginning discovery. Identify the facts that support a favorable finding on your essential legal issue. Wisdom that it's so easy to forget. And it's easy to forget because we don't think it applies, right? Maybe we have a case and we feel like we know this case. We've had other cases just like this in the same jurisdiction, and we know what the law is. It's so interesting. I practice around the country. It's interesting to come in to someone else's home jurisdiction, and sometimes a lawyer will tell me, oh no, this is the law here. And then I'll look it up to understand it better and see that that's not exactly what the law is, or that's not at all what the law is. There's sometimes a custom of what's practiced in an area that's not actually what the law says. So I'm always looking for that even in the jurisdictions where I practice regularly. I go back and look at the rules. Not only do they change sometimes, but is there some basic assumption I've had that I'm wrong about? And it happens. It happens more than we think as humans. It happens to me, something that I thought was the way the law is, and it's not. It's also in our firm, when a case comes in before we file the lawsuit, we have a lawyer who actually will work on jury instructions, look up the law, and we'll have a discussion about it or a memo to look at. Is there anything here that we need to be aware of? Is there something that's maybe a little unusual? What exactly do we have to prove? And so before we file the complaint, we've discussed that. And certainly before we go in the deposition, we want to know, what is it we're trying to prove? And are there some legal issues or defenses that we have to be aware of? Make sure that we're looking at that issue and that it's addressed. It also helps early on, because there might be once in a while where you find something and you decide this isn't a case to pursue. Let's take a deep breath together now and be grateful to be alive this Monday. May the work we do today help remind us that as much as ever, it's important that we turn to law in our society as a unifying and guiding force. May the work that we do today help to reduce suffering in the world. May it repair the world. May we fiercely and compassionately advocate for our clients. I'm going to ring a bell 3 times now. This can take you into a meditation practice, a prayer practice, or just remind you it's Monday. Wake up, go out, do good things, and have fun while you're doing it.